Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Manoj Networking. So in this channel I'll mainly talk about network related concepts and the technologies, and as part of our learning series today we'll see what is an SVI or switch virtual interface, that's the abbreviation of SVI, and how to configure it on the layer 3 switch. So before moving further, if you like the content of my channel, please do like and subscribe, and if any feedbacks please do share it on the comment section. So I'll just explain SVI in a layman language. So let's see what is an SVI and basically why we need SVI. Okay, so before jump on to the lab, let me explain with some TEAL. Okay, again the layman language, like let's say this is my school A. So here I have one computer sitting in VLAN 10. So let me take one more computer. So this is school B, somewhere within the city. So here I have VLAN 20 for example. So this is one of my computer. Okay, and there is no interconnection between these two computers, so VLAN 10 can't be able to talk to VLAN 20 directly. Okay, so now there is a requirement and VLAN 10 want to talk to VLAN 20. Again, if you go back to the school example, like let's say for example there is one more school called C. Okay, so this school C is conducting kind of cultural fest event and everything. So they have asked school A to participate, so they have also requested school B to participate. Okay, so now what will happen now? Before the computers are going to this particular router or this particular school, the school principals from school A, one day before the cultural fest, the particular school principal from school A will go and see the arrangements. Same thing from school B also, one particular person, principal or anybody in that case, will come and will look over for the guest relationships and that things. Okay, so now if you see, this particular principal A is representing complete this VLAN 10. So if any requests that are coming from this particular school A will be acknowledged by this principal. If any particular request from this school B or from VLAN 20 will be acknowledged by this particular school, this particular principal called B. Okay, so the same thing will happen in our real time also. For VLAN 10 now I have SVI, so this is called as an SVI, switch virtual interface. So now you need to create SVI for VLAN 10. In the same way you need to create SVI for VLAN 20. So I hope the explanation is sufficient. So let me jump on to the lab so that I'll explain in depth. Okay, so for this demonstration I am using Cisco Packet Tracer. So here let's take this one. So multi-layer switch, so it has the capability to work as a router and it has the capability to work as a switch. And to demonstrate the lab I need two PCs. So first PC will keep it in VLAN 10 and the other PC will keep it in VLAN 20. So let me quickly connect the cables. Okay, so to demonstrate the lab, let me open the notepad. So first thing what you need to do, create the VLAN. So for this lab, let me keep it like that. Now if you see, so first thing what we can do, create the VLANs 10 and 20 in the switch, and then assign the interfaces for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Third step, create the SVIs for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So finally ping both the computers and see the results. And fifth one, I'll show the demonstration method also in the Cisco Packet Tracer. So we have this option, demo mode, so simulation mode, also called as simulation mode. Here it is. So I'll be showing this simulation mode also after this lab explanation. Okay, so having said that, so let's go and create VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 here. So I am in the multi-layer switch, so I am going to CLI. So I'm not changing any name is fine for me. So for example, name is school A and VLAN 20 and name is school B. So two VLANs I have created. So let's put the first fast Ethernet 0/1 in VLAN 10. So now how to do that? Interface FA 0/1. Please see the diagram and look for the commands. Switch port axis VLAN 10, and then the fast Ethernet 2. The fast Ethernet 2 we need to keep it in VLAN 20. Yes, the fast Ethernet 0/2 we need to keep it in VLAN 20. Alright, so I have created the VLANs 10 and 20 in the switch, and I have assigned the interfaces, and now create the SVIs. So how to create the SVI? So interface VLAN 10, interface VLAN 10. Now you can see it got changed to the particular interface. This is a logical interface, it got changed to up. So we can also use no shutdown. That means please don't go shut down at any given point of time, and you need to assign the IP address. So wherever you will feel lost, you can use question mark, or like we can simply type it. So 192.168.1.1 I am using. So 255.255.255.0 the subnet mask. And let's create one more VLAN interface VLAN 20. So this interface VLAN 10 will serve the clients from VLAN 10 traffic. Now I need VLAN 20 also for this lab. Again no shutdown and 2.1 with 255.255.255.0. So now let's go and assign the IP address here. I'll just write the IPs so that you will not confuse. So 192.168.1.2 here we are using. So here we'll use 192.168.2.2. So here what we have done, so we have created SVI for VLAN 10, and the IP address for that one is 192.168.1.1, and there is one more SVI that we created for VLAN 20. That IP is 192.168.2.1. I hope is clear. So now let me assign the IP. So go to desktop IP configuration. So here 192. So you need to go to you need to go to desktop static IP configuration. So 192.168.1.2 255.255. So here 192.168.1.1. So 1.1 is going to be the default gateway for VLAN 10. So in the same way we need to go to 2.2 computer. So go to desktop IP configuration. So statically I am assigning the IPs because I don't have any DHCP server here, so that is fine. So 192.168 2.1. So that is going to be my SVI for this school B or this VLAN 20. So now this is my VLAN 10. Let me take other color. So this is my VLAN 20. So this is my VLAN 10 computer. This is my VLAN 20 computer. So by default switch doesn't allow the access from one VLAN to other VLAN. So since we have SVIs, so let's see. So the one command here it is missing. We need to do IP routing as well. IP routing. So let's see, show IP route. If you see, so I am asking the particular switch, show me your routing table. So it says I know both of the people. I know who is 192.168.1.0 and I know 192.168.2.0. They both are directly connected. So let's do a quick ping. So command prompt. So IP config, it will show the details of this computer. So now I am on 1.2 computer. Here is VLAN 10. So we need to ping to 2, like let's say first ping to 1.1 the gateway. So you can see here the default gateway will be 1.1. So 192.168 1.1. Yes, it's pinging absolutely fine. And now let's try to ping to 2.2. 2.2. So 2.2 is on completely other VLAN. So then our request will go from PC0 to switch, and this switch will take over the traffic. Okay, so let me show you the simulation mode now. Let me show you the simulation mode. For this simulation mode, we need to take a PDU. So from source to destination, I'm just clicking on simulation. So now if you see, the packet is ready. So I have asked to ping from 1.2 to 2.2. I just clicked on simulation. The interface is being changed. Now PC0 is ready with ICMP packet, Internet Communication Messaging Protocol. So let's play the now please concentrate on this packet. Let's see what will happen. So now if you see, I'm just playing. The packet came to switch. The packet received to switch. So here also you can see the events. Now if you see, multi-layer switch to PC1. So now if you see, it came to PC1. Again the packet is going back to the switch, and you will get one tick mark here. Now if you see, it is getting tick mark.